Hip-hop mogul Sean Diddy Combs will remain behind bars until his October sentencing following a federal judge's decision on Monday to deny his renewed bail request. Combs, 55 years of age, was convicted in July on 2 prostitution-related charges but acquitted of sex trafficking and racketeering, and now faces a potential prison term of up to 20 years. Judge Arun Subramanian ruled that Combs fails to satisfy his burden to demonstrate an entitlement to release, emphasizing that neither increased bond nor additional conditions would alter the decision. The ruling reaffirms previous bail denials issued both at the time of Combs' arrest in September 2024 and on the day of the verdict. The court decision centers on the severity of the convictions and Combs' personal history. The judge cited violence in his personal relationships and said that the nature of the crimes places the case outside the narrow exceptions to mandatory pre-sentencing detention under federal law. Combs doesn't contest that detention is mandatory for his crimes of conviction, Subramanian noted in the ruling. Combs was convicted of 2 felony counts related to the operation of a prostitution ring. Each count carries a maximum sentence of 10 years, though federal prosecutors indicated they will likely seek a sentence in the range of 51 to 63 months, roughly 4 to 5 years. The final sentence will be determined during a hearing scheduled for October 3, and Combs will receive 10 months of credit for time already served. Attorneys for Combs argued for his release by highlighting poor and allegedly dangerous conditions at the Metropolitan Detention Center (MDC) in Brooklyn, where he is currently held. The facility has come under scrutiny from public officials and advocacy groups over its inhumane living conditions, including reports of violence and neglect. Judge Subramanian acknowledged the complaints and confirmed that there had been at least one incident of threatened violence from another inmate, but emphasized that correction staff has been able to keep him safe and attend to his needs. The court further referenced conflicting narratives regarding Combs' conduct. While Combs and his legal team maintained that the encounters were consensual, involving willing swingers and escorts, the government paints a darker picture, alleging coercion, abuse, manipulation of women, including Cassie Ventura and another individual referred to as Jane. The government takes the view that Cassie Ventura and Jane were beaten, coerced, threatened, lied to, and victimized by Combs, the judge wrote, rejecting comparisons to other cases where bail was granted. Combs has pleaded not guilty to all charges and continues to assert his innocence. However, Monday's ruling represents a major setback for his legal team as they prepare for sentencing. With his freedom on hold and his reputation under fire, Combs faces not only years in prison but also an uphill battle to rebuild his public image and career. Well, that's it for now. With this update, we wrap up today's news. Please stay tuned to US Most Read and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you in the next update. Thanks for watching.